Okay, welcome back to the bench. Last time we were working on the 1/24th scale rock bouncer, and I had to get a motor mount, and that motor mount came in, so we can continue with our project. Okay, so to put this motor mount on, we have to take this gear off and take the mount off and put the new mount on. Okay, so this motor mount only has two new holes in it, which you could actually take the old motor mount and drill new holes in that motor mount and come up with the same deal. So, not knowing that when I first got this, I didn't do that. But you could, if you wanted to take the time to do that. Or spend the extra $5 and get the motor mount when you buy the motor. Alrighty then. We've about got this baby on here. Could have made these screws just a little bit longer. It wouldn't take so long. All right. Back to where we were a few days ago. Okay, so you don't want to take the gear off or put the gear back on because you have to take the gear off to put the motor in. So, back to the drawing board. Okay, I don't know what I did with the screws for the motor. Okay. Whew. Learning curve. Big time. Big time learning curve. Alright, let's try this again. Let's put the motor in here. Okay, I don't know why you guys fell over, but you did. I cannot turn this motor. I do believe that I've bound up this motor by putting a screw in it. These screws have to be very short. Motor mounted. The screw is kind of in the way on the plate, so I ground a little bit off of the plate with the Dremel to fit over the top of the screw, and we are good to go. Put the cover back on the motor, gears, or the transmission. Okay. Finally, now we can mount this to the motor mount or the transmission mount. Two screws holding the transmission into the mount. Alrighty then. Now that we have the transmission mounted to the motor, or the motor mounted to the transmission, and the transmission motor, that'll fit in just like this. Or it can go the other way. It can go either way. Whichever you're going to need for your personal preference, it will go in, I think, either way. Yes. So if you want the motor front, motor back, that's totally up to you. I'm going to find out about it really doesn't matter which way you want the weight to be. I do believe it's not going to make any difference which way you put it. All right, the next thing we're going to do is links.